So picture this, you've opened MuseScore Studio, you've created a new score, and you're about to start writing your next masterpiece. But before the music takes shape, you may be thinking, what sounds do I choose? I'm going to talk about MuseSounds Pro, which gives you access to a full range of MuseSounds libraries inside MuseScore Studio, so you can explore different instruments, find the right sound, and stay inspired as you write. MuseSounds Pro is a single subscription that gives you more than everything you'll need to make great sounding scores. You'll have full access to celebrated orchestras from Vienna Symphonic Library, Spitfire Audio, and Audio Imperia, plus the Sidecar Jazz Trio, Solo Euphonium, Pipe Organ, and Ambient Sounds Pack from Muse, the Cantai Singing Synthesizer, LA Modern Percussion, Audio Ollie Scoring Synths, and more, all optimized to work seamlessly with MuseScore Studio's notation engine. To start working with MuseSounds Pro, open MuseHub, go to MuseSounds, and press the Get button under MuseSounds Pro. Once you've subscribed, pick and choose whatever libraries you want to explore. You now have every one of these libraries at your fingertips, including new ones that we'll be adding on a regular basis, and you can install only what you want to use to make the best use of your computer's storage. Once you've installed some libraries, simply open or restart MuseScore Studio and find them in the mixer. No extra setup is required and nothing needs to be configured. Just start writing and MuseScore Studio will take care of the playback. Many of the libraries will come with a range of additional playing techniques and articulations. To use these, add some stave text from the text palette, click the sound flag icon, and choose a playing technique. The corresponding instruction text for your players is added automatically and can be customized however you like. We'd love to hear what you can create in MuseScore Studio with MuseSounds Pro. Share your completed projects with their audio on musescore.com and audio.com from within the Publish tab. And don't forget to like and subscribe to get the latest news on updates to MuseSounds and MuseScore Studio.